The MV AGUSTA F3 Competizione is a limited edition track-focused motorcycle, with only 300 hand-built units coming from the Varese factory. Building on the foundation of the 2022 F3RR, this model features distinctive side-mounted winglets that generate an impressive 8 kilograms of downforce at speeds around 240 kilometers per hour. Weighing in at 14 kilograms less than the standard RR, the Competizione also comes with a dedicated track kit that includes a non-homologated full titanium Akrapovic exhaust, a bike cover, a fiberglass seat cover, and a certificate of authenticity, with each unit individually numbered. The Competizione further enhances the F3's performance with fully adjustable Öhlins MVICS forks and a TTX36 rear shock, complemented by a remote adjuster discreetly placed behind the single-sided swing arm. This suspension system is lighter than the standard setup, contributing to the overall weight reduction. Additionally, carbon fiber wheels save another 3 kilograms, increasing agility on the track. For braking, the Competizione is equipped with 4-piston radial Brembo calipers paired with 320mm discs. A new lithium-ion battery further reduces weight by another 3 kilograms. The bike's 798cc 3-cylinder engine delivers 157.8 brake horsepower at 13,500 rpm and 88 Nm at 10,100 rpm and adheres to Euro 5+ standards. It features a 9-disc assist and slipper clutch for smoother operation. Advanced electronics provide 4 riding modes, 8 levels of traction control, and optional launch control, all designed to enhance the motorcycle's track performance. The MV AGUSTA F3 Competizione stands as a pinnacle of performance and exclusivity, designed for track enthusiasts who seek unparalleled agility and cutting-edge technology.